Para po sa unang katanungan, Kat Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Good morning, Secretary. Sir, Hi, sir. For Secretary Herbosa, sir, how does the Department of Health respond to the COA's findings that 405 million pesos worth of medical equipment were remained idle or unutilized due to the absence of a well-structured plan, lack of site readiness, delayed procurement actions, and inadequate coordination and monitoring? That's according to the COA, sir.
This is a COA report of December 31, 2024. So released in 2025. So you have to understand there was a whole year of 2025 to fulfill the implementation of all those programs. So I still have to check if it's still 405 million that has not been installed. I will bet na-install na ang karamihan noon. So take into consideration that when you're reporting that, take the date and time that the COA did the observation.
Sir, but the spirit of the question or the point of the COA is that there was allegedly, supposedly, an absence of a well-structured plan, a lack of site readiness. How does the DOH respond to those comments given that it has received one of the biggest allocations under the 2025?
I don't understand when you say there is lack of a structured plan. In government, before you can even request for the budget, you have to have a detailed province-wide investment plan for health. Merong process yan. So I don't know what the auditor means when he say walang lack of plan. Number two, before it even gets to NEP, binubusisi po yan ng regional director, ng central office ng DOH, ng DBM regional office, ng BM, before it even gets into the budget. So nakaplano po lahat yan. And then eventually, pag na-implement yan, depends who implemented it. Kasi there are many people, hindi lang DOH nag-i-implement po ng ating Health Facilities Enhancement Program. There are 3 agencies that actually implement it. The LGU itself can be the one implementing it. The DPWH can be the one implementing it. The regional office can be the one implementing it. So depending on who is implementing it, there can be some delay. And then there are different contractors. Iba-iba yan. Merong mabagal, merong nag-walk away, merong delay in one part, delay in the construction. Of course, kung na-delay yung construction, hindi mo ma-install yung equipment kasi hindi pa tapos yung facility. So you need to finish the facility or, terminate the contract and get another contractor to finish it. So talagang may problems. Those are actual problems in government governance. Talagang hindi yan masi-zero. That will always happen. And that's why you have officials to run and manage this. So you have to check. So when you report that, my suggestion to you is to look first what has happened to it in the year 2025 because that was a 2024 COA audit observation.
And sir, based on the findings of the DOH, what happened to it? What do you attribute the biggest bottleneck? What is the main culprit for the misdelivered or the misuse or the, according to the COA, the...
So I will tell you, I will give you back, I will get back to you, and I will look at that 405 million that they're claiming, and I will tell you how much of that has already been installed or completed in 2025. Yun ang dapat hinanap nyo.
Sir, yun nga po hinahanap namin sa inyo ngayon, sir. Wala po kayong data with regard to the update on this
I'm
one?
here to discuss the budget. If you want, I can go back to you. I will give you a report on the 405.
Sir, last na. But initially, sir, bakit po hindi na-roll out as it is on 2024 itself? Bakit po kailangan pa natin maghintay ng 2025 for it to be rolled out? What do you think is the biggest problem in the system that needs to be addressed immediately?
You're wrong, no? When a budget is released, it has a 2-year cycle. There is what's called continuing appropriations. When it is released, there are many reasons. Sometimes the money is not released to us. Sometimes the money is not available. So the money is released in the latter part of 2024. So sometimes the implementation happens in 2025. So dapat you should understand that that's how it's happened. So it's not a negative thing. It's a good thing. That's why COA monitors whether we complete the money or not. For your information, I returned only about 800 pesos of the 2025 budget. That means we already obligated a lot of the money. In 2024, we returned, I think, 800 million. So malaki yun. So there's a lot of improvement from 2024 to 2025.